Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka Njeri wa Muigai ni akoretwo akionania ati nima ni aratukanirwo ni maundu uria mamuhaneire kuma auge she is a single woman na ndiatigana na kihiko giake na Muini Muigai wa Njoroge. Riu Njeri wa Muigai uria ni ex-wife wa Muini Muigai wa Njoroge ni arikitie kuhithuria ndeto ciegie her love life after gutigana na Muini Muigai wa Njoroge. Muigai wa Njoroge akoretwo agitwarithia na mbere kihiko gia Stacy uria wakire second wife riria mahikanitie na Njeri na akimurashiria just a few days before Njeri augite ati sheigana ni sheigana na makoro makienda kumenya ivatol Njeri nionete mundu ginyagia ihinda riri kuona she declared herself as a single woman na muthenya umuthi Njeri ni akorwa open up to her followers about her love life na maria agikorwa akihithuria ni maundu matiga andu makigegeire. Njeri agiconfess augite ginyagia ahiki makoretwo makimuhit on makienda aigire na ndugu-ini cia kiwendo na akorwa aki-expose a particular lady ukoretwo akimwandikira ndumiriri cia kiwendo akienda aigire ndugu ya kiwendo na akekuona ni muhiki. Njeri akimpost this message muhiki akira Njeri ati she is 35 years and she has been a lesbian for the longest time na akiuga ati I know the worst thing is that I don't want to stop. I enjoy everything about it. My problem now is that I am in love with you, Gacheri. I have tried to stop thinking about you, but I can't. Would you mind giving me a chance to make you happy, babe? I know this will sound weird to you, but mimi na wewe ni wewe nataka pekee. I have money and everything you would want in this world. Please nikubali tu na hutawai regret. Beautiful akimutumira ginyagia tu emoji tu awedo. Njeri akionekana ati ni arahetukira tumiambato tuingi na tuikuruko trying to find love after gukorwa kiuga ciake ni ciaigana na kihiko giake na Muini Muigai wa Njoroge and she is now a single woman. Akiuga ginya atimia marakorwo makienda aigire nao ndugu-ini ya kiwendo ni ndeto ndamiaria toria ya nginyira ndikumitenderithia makiria. Make sure ni urata on your notification uga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu tucemanie na wa next one.